I hope you guys are good. All the business owners, entrepreneurs, whether your business is small or big. If business how is a pandemic, then and if business how then you decided you are shutting down for good, it's not personal. How lawyer you should meet our jealous. Oscar consult mo le ba jwetsa maka ba re hey you should meet our jealous. Hey, pandemic in air affect like aufela. And if you have to start from scratch or you feel like you need to take a break, Oscar feel a pressure hore now. No, mabaseka wa bula. Oh, puleng wa bula now. Nike shame I'm a failure. You know, there's a pandemic it affect like aufela bana ba ko hae. We're all going through a lot. Matata na di levels. One level 5, one level 4, one level 3, one level 1. So you're not alone. We are all going through hell. Take it,